Assalamu alaikum students, this is your book of English series pre-year 3 and today we will read page number 63, Introduction of Spectral Concept. This is the topic and there are 3 icons in this page. First read, then write, and in the end we will color in the given pictures. Okay, now start reading. Before, 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 between, 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 after, 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 after. Now students, we will complete this. First we will read and then we will write in the blanks. This is fast, fast, fast. Slow, slow, slow. Slow, slow, slow. Slow, slow, slow. Fast, fast, fast. Fast, fast, fast. Okay students, now we will fill the blanks. The can, is, dash, 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 the, bowl, 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 and, the, dash, dash, dash. So we will see in the picture the can is between the bowl and the glass. Can is between the bowl and the glass. Can is between the bowl and glass. So we will write here between. We will write here between. Between, between, between. The can is between the bowl and the glass. We will write here glass, 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 glass. Now the sentence is complete. The can, is, between, between, the, bowl, bowl, and, the, glass, glass. The can, is between the bowl and the glass. The can is between the bowl and the glass. Now we will complete next sentence. The bowl is dash the dash. The bowl is before we will write here before the can the bowl is before the can the bowl is before the can. The bowl is before the can. The glass is after the can. We will write here after. We will write here after the can. The glass is after the can. The glass is after the can. The glass is after the can. Now look at this. This is razor, this is scissor, and this is pencil. The pencil is before the scissor. Pencil is before the scissor. Scissor is between the razor and pencil. Scissor is between the razor and pencil. The razor is after the scissor. The razor is after the scissor. Okay, students, understand? Yes, very good. Now we will read the next two lines. The car is fast. We will write here fast. The car is fast. The car is fast. The car is fast. The Bicycle is slow. We will write here slow, 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 slow. The bicycle, bicycle, bicycle is slow, slow, slow. The bicycle is slow. The bicycle is slow. Like we can give example of your students, like Muhammad Ali is fast but Daud is slow. Okay, understand? Yes. So students, you will do page number 63 at home. First you will read, then write in the blanks, and in the end you will color in this page. Okay.